Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see and share your YouTube recap, a fun feature that highlights your watching habits and top moments on YouTube. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To begin, make sure your YouTube app is updated to the latest version so this feature appears correctly. Once your app is ready, open YouTube on your phone. In many cases, the recap will show up automatically as soon as you open the app, appearing just like a story at the top of your home page. If it does not appear right away, simply tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. There you should see the option that lets you access your recap. Once you open it, your YouTube recap will play as a series of slides, very similar to stories or highlights on other social media platforms. As you tap through each slide, you will see different insights about your activity. Your favorite topics, the types of videos you watch the most, your top creators, and even your viewer personality. This recap is designed to give you a quick and fun look at your habits throughout the year. Whenever you find a slide you want to keep, you can tap the download arrow to save it as an image. You can also press the share button to send it instantly to your friends or post it on your favorite social platforms. And if you want to revisit a specific slide, just tap on the left side of the screen to go back. And that's it. Now you know how to see and share your YouTube recap.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.